Ana Sarabia here, your San Antonio, Texas trusted real estate agent, coming to you today with a very important topic that affects you whether you're a buyer or seller. So everybody knows that San Antonio is a very international city, and the chances of you as a buyer purchasing a property from a foreign seller are very high. And that is why it's really important to know that the law is very clear to that respect. Any person or corporation that is intending to sell real estate in the United States will be subject to a tax withholding. The amount can range between 10 and 15%. Very few exceptions to this rule. One could be that maybe the seller decides to sign an affidavit under penalty of perjury where they state that they are exempt from this regulation. However, keep in mind that sometimes not even having a green card will exempt you for that. So it's really important to have your legal team vet and validate that in essence, yes, the seller is exempt from the withholding. The second time that the withholding will not be necessary is when the price of the real estate is below $300,000. In this case, the buyer also will claim this property as their homestead, and they will live in this property for at least half of the time for the next 2 years following the date of the sale. Now, if you're a foreign seller, you really need to file for your withholding tax before you put the house up for sale. And here in Sarabia Homes, we have a team of professionals that are ready to explain to you not only the process, but the best way to avoid conflicts and problems down the line. So basically, as a buyer, why do you need to know this? Well, because if the seller is a foreign person and you buy this property from them and the withholding does not happen, then you as a buyer will be responsible not only for the amount of the withholding, but for taxes, penalties and interest that this debt may incur. So it is really important that you stay informed, be an informed buyer, do your due diligence, and obviously have someone like us to represent you to make sure that you're safe. And if you're, like I said, a foreign seller, please let us know. We'll be more than happy to help you. And again, as always, I ask you, if you find this information useful, please pass it along. And if you need to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, I'm just a phone call away. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.